let your puppy eat and make him eat when I don't want to eat.
Do your time for the week then, huh?
2 more days.
Oh,
Do it 4 in a row.
Susie.
Yeah. And I was supposed to hopefully be low census on Tuesday, so I get it ready to go.
So you're in charge tomorrow then? And Tuesday?
Karen is.
Maybe